Good God have mercy.
It's me again, the original. Yeah, so right now we're going to nice up a little smoothie. My favorite breakfast, and my favorite dinner, my favorite lunch, favorite brunch.
Wagwan kings and queens. So today I decided to make a smoothie from the big bad CHRONIXX. I don't know, he's one of my favorite reggae artists. And the first ingredient you'll need is spirulina. Next, you'll need some hemp milk, and I made a video showing you guys how I make my hemp milk. If you missed that video, I'll leave it up in the iCard, so make sure you check that out. All the ingredients in this video, the benefits will be listed at the end of the video. Some coconut milk, and I also have a video on this, and I'll link it up in the iCards. I made this from scratch, okay? And let me tell you, coconut milk made from scratch is the bomb.com. It is so much better, and I love to use it like that. Some pumpkin seeds, some dates, of course, and this is used as a natural sweetener, so you don't have to add no sugar, no nothing if you don't want to. However, we're gonna add a little agave. You don't know, some agave, of course. One of the best superfoods out there, some kale, some banana, and banana is also a natural sweetener, guys. So the sweeter you want the banana, then you wait the longer until you see it looking black or some dark spots on it. Yeah. I'm adding my hemp milk right here, and I'm adding the milks first as a base because, you know, it helps to protect the blender, and it also helps for a smooth blend. Next, I'll be adding the coconut milk and the rest of the ingredients, which I won't give the exact measurement. You guys can head over to my blog. You'll get all the step-by-step instructions as well as the exact ingredients. So don't forget to subscribe to my blog, and you don't know when you can interact with me, leaving a little comments and all these things, because I have a lot more in store for you guys.
Take it slow. I know you want this. I just hope you know. If we get started, ain't no letting go. If you in it, you all in. That's just how it goes. With my love, ain't no half and half voting. Baby, it's all or nothing. No playing with my love. Ain't no half and half voting. Baby, it's all or nothing. No playing. I'm running through your mind, and you can't get enough of me. Take up all your time, can't ignore my energy. Driving you crazy till I'm gone. Look up what's it and be in it, you know so. So as the days roll by and we grow old, more time you wanna spend with my love. Ain't no half and half voting. Baby, it's all or nothing. No playing with my love. Ain't no half and half voting. Baby, it's all or nothing. No playing with nowadays. It seem like love fickle. Ain't nobody tryna meet in the middle no more. Only tryna get in the middle. Ain't where my penny on my dime on my nickel. So take a seat and make we talk for a little. Maybe we could build on it.
Now it's time to blend, and I let it blend for 3 minutes.
Ain't no half and half voting. Baby, it's all or nothing. No playing with my love. Ain't no half and half voting. Baby, it's all or nothing. No playing. Take it slow. I know you want this.
And ta-da! Just like that, you have your own nutritious smoothie. And like the big man say, you can have it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, brunch. I'll leave him to tell you guys.
Frozen bananas. Them dates, they look more than dates. I mean, the whole week. 3, some kale, pumpkin seeds, a great source of zinc, cacao, spirulina. It's also known as blue-green algae. You don't really need to use a whole heap of spirulina. One of the great things is energy-packed algae.
What does it taste like?
The deep sea. Hemp milk is my favorite milk. And then some coconut milk. When me say coconut juice and 3 ripe banana, hemp milk peanut to dash in the blender, 3 leaf of kale and a dash of spirulina. Yeah!
Spirulina build up me confidence. Rastafari run the continent. This King Selassie, you pay the consequence. Don't get it confused.
So we've come to the end. I hope you guys enjoy this, and if you ever tried, come back and leave a comment and let me know how you will like it. And also big thanks to CHRONIXX. I really enjoyed this smoothie. It was so delicious, and not only delicious but so nutritious. And I want you guys to head over to my blog to get the exact measurements as well as the benefits of all the ingredients used. And until my next video, one love.